So the enormous hall which he used to love when he was in this school, he feels that the hall has become smaller. And not only the hall, there are some other things also. What are they? Not only the hall, but even the doors, the classrooms, the benches and the corridor appear to be much smaller. The meaning of corridor is baranda, that is a narrow hall or passage with rooms. So the author, that is Satyajit Ray, he feels that not only the enormous hall, not only the huge hall, but also the classrooms, the benches, the corridors, they also are looking very smaller to him. Next comes the explanation why has that happened. Why did the hall, which once seemed to him very huge, which once seemed to him very big, is looking so small now? This feeling was natural though. I was 5 feet 3 inches tall when I left school, and now I have grown to be about 6.5 feet. I have grown a lot all these years, but my school has not. So when the author, he left the school, he was 5 feet 3 inches, but when he comes back to the school after 10 years for the reunion, he has grown to be 6.5 feet. Though he has grown, though he has acquired, that is ACQUIRED, ACQUIRED, though he has acquired or achieved the height or the growth, the school has not. The school has remained the same. That is why for him it looks like, or it looked like, that the school has still not been the same as it used to be, and it has got smaller. It has now, in proportion or in comparison with the author, the height of the school or the space of the classrooms are not proper or not adequate. I have never gone back to my school since then. So it was the last time he had gone to his school, that is Baliganj Government High School. It is indeed a pleasure to look back and relive the past moments of joy. So the author, that is Satyajit Ray, he finishes off the passage saying that he really enjoyed going back for the reunion to the school, and this reliving, that means this experiencing of the past moments of joy in his school, has re-energized him, has given him new energies, and he has felt very happy when he remembers the past events or the past experiences he has spent in his school. Please take or note down the meanings of some of the words. One is capture, that it's been used as a verb here. To take control of something by force. To take control of something by force. Capture. Capture ke আমরা বাংলায় বন্দি করাও বলতে পারি. When you take a photo also, we can say that we have captured a very good photo of you. That means stored. জমিয়ে রাখা. STORE. It can also be a meaning. Stored. Next is essence. Essence means the inherent and true nature of a thing or idea. The true nature of an idea or thing. That means the true meaning of a thing. The true nature of a thing or of an idea. Next is recognize. Recognize is also a verb. Recognize means to locate and identify. চিনতে পারা. To locate and identify. 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 Next is enormous. Enormous, within the course of the reading, I have told you that is huge or gigantic. The spelling of gigantic is GIGANTIC. 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 Next, the last one is relive. That is used in the last line of the text. Relive. To experience again. That means to revive. REVIVE. To experience again or to revive. REVIVE.